Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where to find help in the Bolt Food application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you should look at the bottom of your right corner and there you will see your profile. Press on it, and here in this page you should just select the sixth option, which is support. And in the new page you can just press on browse help articles, and you can select here a topic like about Bolt Food, account and data, app and features, and all the others. You can just select one of them and you can see a subtopic here like my account is blocked, my account has been compromised. You can just press on it and you can see basically the answer to the specific problem, and like this you can find help about a lot of areas of this app. So pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.